Jordan is a Middle Eastern country known for its rich history, vibrant culture, and stunning natural landscapes. Situated at the crossroads of ancient civilizations, Jordan is home to impressive historical sites such as the ancient city of Petra, the majestic Wadi Rum desert, and the unique Dead Sea. With a blend of cultural heritage, religious significance, and breathtaking natural beauty, Jordan attracts visitors from around the world, making it a fascinating and mysterious destination. Petra, often referred to as the Rose City, Petra is Jordan's most famous archaeological site. The ancient city, carved into red sandstone cliffs, is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the new seven wonders of the world. The iconic Al Khazna, the treasury, is a must-see. Wadi Rum. Known as the Valley of the Moon, Wadi Rum is a vast desert landscape with dramatic rock formations, red sand dunes, and ancient petroglyphs. It's a popular spot for desert tours, camel rides, and stargazing. Dead Sea. The Dead Sea is one of the saltiest bodies of water in the world and lies at the lowest point on Earth's surface. Its mineral-rich waters and mud are famous for their therapeutic properties, and floating effortlessly on its surface is a unique experience. Aqaba. Jordan's only coastal city, Aqaba, is located on the Red Sea. It's known for its beautiful coral reefs, clear waters, and excellent diving and snorkeling spots. Jerash. Jerash is one of the best preserved Roman cities in the world, with impressive ruins that include temples, theaters, and arches. The annual Jerash Festival of Culture and Arts brings the ancient city to life with music, dance, and performances. Amman Citadel. Located in the capital city of Amman, the Citadel is an ancient site that offers panoramic views of the city. It features historical structures, including the Temple of Hercules and the Umayyad Palace. Dana Biosphere Reserve. This is Jordan's largest nature reserve, encompassing diverse landscapes from sandstone cliffs to wooded highlands. It's a haven for hiking enthusiasts and nature lovers, with a variety of trails and wildlife. Madaba and Mount Nebo. Madaba is famous for its Byzantine and Umayyad mosaics, particularly the Madaba map, the oldest surviving map of the Holy Land. Nearby, Mount Nebo is a significant biblical site, believed to be the place where Moses viewed the Promised Land before his death.